Hey guys, Earl here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to air fry Savory Butcher half-pound hamburger patties. Now I've got one here that's frozen, and I've got one here that's thawed. So we're going to do it both, and the reason for it is my buddies, my friends have all been saying you got to air fry stuff on your show. Air frying's awesome. You can take it from frozen, you can take it from thaw. It's gonna be the best meat you've ever had. Now I already know the Savory Butcher meat's good. You can buy these same hamburger patties if you click the link down below. But I finally gave in. I went and got this Ninja air frying, deep frying, ready pot, pressure cooking, magical device. So we're gonna see how it turns out. But I don't do this. Usually I use pots and pans, but you know what? They say it's great. Everybody seems to like it. I knew nothing about it, so I actually went and picked up a book, Air Fry Genius. I guess that's what I'm gonna be here when it's done. And I looked at it and it said, get your air fryer, preheat it to 390 degrees, throw in your meat halfway through, set it for 20 minutes, halfway through, flip it over, and you're gonna end up with the best doggone whatever you put in there you've ever had in your life. So we're gonna give it a try, and you know what? If it works out, we might just do a whole bunch of air frying videos. Okay, so I'm not gonna get crazy. I'm not gonna make my own rub. I just got some regular old Canadian style steak seasoning here. It has salt, spices, garlic, canola oil, extractives of paprika. Sounds delicious. And some spice extracts. I'm gonna carefully put it on the frozen burger because this can dump off. And I've got this thing preheated. If you look over here at the temp, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, cool. I'm gonna set my timer up here to 20 minutes. I'm gonna open my lid, and what's kind of cool about these is I noticed, you open the lid, it stops, but this thing's preheated. I'm gonna set this right down in here. Now the book, this crazy book that I was reading, said that if I add a little bit of water to the bottom of that, then it'll keep the greases from burning. So we're gonna add a little bit of water right down to the bottom, bet it sizzles. Oh yeah. Sizzling. And then we're going to just close this back down. Timer starts up. And hey, you guys, it sounds like we're cooking. So we're gonna see how air frying works. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, we got 10 seconds left to go. I've been slaving away here in the kitchen. Let's see how it looks. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Halfway mark. Whoa. Hey, you know, that actually smells really good. I'm surprised. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna do the turn it over thing. Let's see how this, so this patty was frozen when I put it in here. Ooh, look at that. If you look down in here, you can actually see all the juices. This is gonna put me out of business, these air fryers, but not until I church up my burger a little bit. So I'm gonna add some more of this Canadian seasoning right onto this side. Then I'm gonna take some of this herb and garlic homemade butter that I made. I'm just gonna throw that right on top of there. And according to the book I read, if I close this lid and slave away in the kitchen just a little bit longer, evidently 10 minutes, my gosh, I'm gonna have myself a burger. Gotta get back to it, you guys.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking. Oh! Okay, we got just under 2 minutes left. I think I gotta get creative somewhere. I'm gonna put some cheese on this. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Look at that. Oh, just let it rip. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Whew. I had a tough cook day. Oh, lucky. All right, so I put in this Savory Butcher half-pound burger, frozen. I put it in my air fryer, frozen. I've never done this before. Threw on some Munster cheese. Oh, that smells good. Now we're going to see just how this turned out. Oh, that looks good. Cooked all the way through. Wow, smells wonderful. All right, you guys. You know I'm used to doing this in cast iron and pots and pans and skillets and stuff like that. Baking it, smoking it. I have never air fried any meat in my life before. This is a first. It smells wonderful. It was very arduous, a lot of work, but wow. So worth it. That's good. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to be air frying a bunch of stuff right here on my kitchen. I'm Earl. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.